Hey guys, this is Sierra, aka CaliCurls. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a protective style. I'm just gonna give you guys an update of this protective style in general, what I've been doing, what hair I used.
Be quiet here.
And Mickey's gonna be quiet in here. So yeah, if you guys are interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and let's jump into it. Yeah, I wear it like this every single night. The first week I had this wrapped up in my bonnet like this, and oh my god, it was like so uncomfortable because it was just all that weight right there. So after the second week, I just ended up having it loose like this, where I wear it with just the scarf wrapped around, and it's like less weight in a section, so I could split it in between. In the mornings, I just take this down, and this is what it's looking like. Let me get up close. Now, you're gonna see flakes and all that because I haven't been doing much with it. Let's see. I just want to show you guys what it's looking like. My scalp is looking good. I mean, in the past I've had my scalp with a lot more flakes, and honestly, to tell you the truth, I feel like with week 1 there was more flakes than I have now, and I think it's because of the product. The product just dried out and it started flaking on my scalp. So after that stopped happening, then it's just, you know, my normal scalp like this. Like, you can definitely see where my hair is starting to come out right here. But what I do to keep it as clean as I can is I just, whenever it comes out, I just try to like wrap it in and then like stick it in between one of the loops and just like do that. This is what it's looking like. I got 22 inches. It's like the ombre effect with, I got colors 1B and 27. And this color is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I feel like it makes my eyes pop too. Well, if I had this color up here, but I feel like it just makes my eyes pop with this color. It just matches really well. Yeah, I love this protective style. The first couple of days it was really heavy on my neck, but completely worth it. My friend Raven, her Instagram is Sunray. I'll include her information down below. She's in the Los Angeles area, but I live in the Inland Empire area, and she does a bomb job. She came here, I got 2 kids, she made it so convenient for me, and she did this, I would have to say, under 6 hours. I feel like if we weren't talking, taking breaks and catching up, she probably would have had this done in 4 hours, which I was just like, dang, she did this really fast. I was expecting myself to be in that chair for 8 hours, but she did an amazing job, and I'm in love. These are, oh, I don't think I even said what kind of protective hairstyle this is. These are PassionTwists. My first time doing PassionTwists. It seems like every time she does a protective style on me, it's my first time getting it done. She's always convincing me to step out of my comfort zone, and every time she does, I just get so happy because I'm just like, this looks so bomb. I feel so different. I look so different. I feel brand new. So I love, love, love every time she does protective styles on me. So if you are in the Los Angeles area, book her. She's bomb. Okay, so every time I post a new protective style, I feel like the first question I'm always asked is what kind of hair you use. So I have the hair. I actually bought a lot more than what I needed. So here's the color 1B 27. This is, take a screenshot of that. I'll try to include the link for this, but I bought this in my local like hair supply store. And yeah, it's the 3 times value pack. Oh, I should have probably read that before I bought all these packs, because she told me to get 9 packs, so I just bought 9 of these, but I didn't realize that it was 3 times the value. So I had extra hair left, which is fine because I definitely want to do these again in the future. It's the 3 times value pack water wave braid, 22 inches, pre-stretched, 100% kind of cologne, I don't know. They have the feathered ends, which I love. It's just so natural. It's so cute. Hot water setting. Now, My friend Raven, she did not set these with hot water at all, so you don't need to set these PassionTwists with hot water, and they still look so natural and so nice. I love them so much. So this is the link.
Money, he wants money. I want money. Tape?
Yes.
Tape?
I just feel like I belong on the beach in Mexico on a vacation or something with these twists in. And I'm obsessed with these. So usually I would take my bottle of aloe vera water. I just have regular water today, but aloe vera is just 10 times better than regular water. But I don't have that with me right now, so I'm using regular water and I'm just like spritzing my scalp. I'm not trying to get it wet. Oh, right there, I kind of got it wet. I'm not trying to get it all super wet. I just want to just, you know, touch my scalp, make sure my scalp gets some moisture, some water. Water is just natural moisturizer. And then I'm going in with natural pure avocado oil. This stuff is lightweight. I love it. You can use it on a daily basis. And I'm just gonna put like a couple drops on the tip of my fingers. Rub that and just really gently, because I don't want to mess up my parting. Just go in like this and just put it all the way around. And I just keep adding more and more as I go throughout my hair, because I kind of put a lot on my scalp. Not a lot, but my scalp just soaks this stuff up because it's so lightweight. I would not use castor oil on my scalp, and I'm not trying to mess up like the parting at all. I'm just really just sliding it on my scalp. And if I was off camera, I'd be looking in the mirror. It would be a lot easier, but that's okay. I'm just doing this. This still works. Like, okay, so here goes a piece like this. Once I see it coming out, okay, once I see a piece coming out, I just kind of grab my hair and I just try to wrap it around as best as I can. It's hard to do this in front of camera, but I'll probably do this better when I'm in the mirror. But I'll just try to wrap it around like that, you know, just make it look cleaner, easy. I'm not taking anything apart. I wouldn't recommend unraveling these and trying to do it again, because I did that for one of them and the ends weren't wispy or like butterfly at all. It just actually came out. I can't find it, but it just didn't look as natural. That's it for my actual hair. I'll squeeze a little bit and just try to squeeze the moisture in there, since my hair is under it. And then I'll also add a leave-in and just try to squeeze a leave-in. I have not done that yet. I actually have not even washed my hair yet. We're on week 3, and I know by the end of this week that I'm gonna have to wash this hair. So I've been doing great though. My scalp has been kind of itchy, but with the water and the oil, it just really takes it right away. It feels like my scalp is just asking for moisture and just asking for, you know, products that have rich ingredients. And I feel like if I'm just dabbing it like so lightly and I'm trying not to like touch my scalp at all, it's been doing really great. So that's it. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of this hair and this protective style. I always recommend getting a protective style at least once or twice per year. I usually get it once or twice per year. And so I would keep my protective styles in for 4 to 6 weeks. Usually they only last up to 3 weeks because they just get so frizzy, and at the roots they get frizzy. But with this protective style, it's been lasting. This is week 3. I'm gonna try to make it last up to week 4 or 6. If I could stretch it out to 6, I'll be happy. It'll be my first time really stretching it out to 6, because I usually cannot go past 4 weeks with having a protective style in. I do have some friends that have said that they've kept theirs in for up to 8 weeks. My hair just can't do that. I will keep you guys updated, and I will show you guys what it looks like after I decide to wash it too, because Depending on how it looks like, I might just take it out. Are you feeling better now? Okay, all right. All right, so that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.